Ciao a tutti! I will show you my 3 secrets of a fluffy aromatic brioche button. Surprise your friends and family with this amazing sweet bread. Put the lukewarm milk, the yeast and the sugar in a tall container and mix everything. Let it rise covered at room temperature for about 30 minutes. With this method, the yeast have time to grow and your brioche will be fluffier than you imagine. Now you can add the flour, the salt, the sugar, 2 eggs, the vanilla extract, the melted butter and the peel of 2 fresh organic lemons. After the 30 minutes, the yeast is grown enough and can be added to the bowl. Let the machine work for about 10 minutes. After, you can knead the dough with your hands until it is elastic. By using your hands, you directly feel how elastic your dough is, and you will know that all ingredients are tied together. Give the dough time and let it grow overnight in the fridge. This method lets the yeast work slowly and you get an aromatic brioche. Divide the dough into 8 pieces and form the button like I do it in the video. Let the brioche rise again for about 30 minutes at room temperature. Finally, we brush the buttons with a mixed egg and sprinkle them with almond slices. Put them in the preheated oven and let them bake at 355 Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Try it and let me know in the comments how do you like my recipe. Enjoy also to watch my other videos and see you soon!